Online courses are an incredible way to learn about new economics topics and develop new skills. They tend to be both more flexible and cost-efficient than on-campus learning. Plus, they are a great alternative for those of us with limited budget, time, or the freedom of travel for in-person education. But my goodness, are there a lot of online courses available? The number of options can seem pretty overwhelming, to be honest, but don't be put off. To help you out, here is Economics' video guide to choosing the right online course for you, including the 3 main questions to ask yourself. The first major question to ask yourself is what type of online course is right for you. Obviously, the answer will depend on your educational history. If you've not studied economics before and you are looking for an introduction to the subject, there are literally hundreds of online courses available. Most are either free or relatively inexpensive. You might even want to check out the Economics YouTube channel and our economics terms videos. However, if you are watching an economics video, you probably want to know about online courses for those already committed to economics. There are 3 main types of online courses for economists: supplementary courses in summer schools, certificates, and finally degree programs. These go from supplementary courses in summer schools being the shortest in terms of length and having the most focused curriculums on the one hand, to the broader and more time-intensive degree programs on the other. If you just need a specific new skill, such as economic modeling with a particular software, then supplementary courses or certificates are probably the best shout. Supplementary courses are good to complement your master's or PhD program, whereas certificates are more likely to help you in the job market. If you want to overhaul your career more radically, then it may be worth looking for a degree program or further academic qualification like an online master's or PhD. This brings us to the second major question: why do you want to learn? If you already have a degree or you are more career-focused, then you should consider supplementary programs and certificates. They are for people looking for an immediate return on their investment. However, for those looking for a broader curriculum, longer-term career advancement, or simply the chance to study for the sake of it, then degree programs are a better option. The negative stigma of completing your degree online as opposed to on campus has diminished significantly in recent years, with employers and academic institutions alike. Completing an online degree with the same campus university is still going to be a worthy investment. There are also a number of online-only universities that also offer online degrees. These programs are also worthwhile provided they address the final major question: do you need an accredited online course? For many shorter courses, especially if they are free or inexpensive, accreditation is less important. It is more important here to check the curriculum before you sign up and make sure it covers what you need. The fact that you did the training or have developed your skills as a result is the most important thing. Nevertheless, for longer and more expensive certificate programs and degree programs, you will want to make sure the course is accredited, either by an existing university or one of the many accreditation bodies around the world. Accreditation bodies may vary from place to place and country to country. Be more vigilant of courses offered by online-only institutions. However, many of these providers will be worthwhile. Just do your homework before signing up. Links to the various resources mentioned in this video will be linked in the description. For the latest online courses, degree programs, summer schools, and more, check out our website. Economics is the site for economists. We support your career journey from finding degree programs and scholarships right through to getting top senior jobs in academia and industry. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more economics video content.